Hi, boys and girls. Today you will need a pencil, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. Please pause the video to gather your materials. We are first going to write with pencil. With pencil, write the word sprint. S-P-R-I-N-T. Sprint. Please write the word sprint in pencil. S-P-R-I-N-T. Sprint. Please underline the three-letter initial blend. Spur. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel. I. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. S, P, R, N, T are all consonants in the word sprint. Our next word is strip. S-T-R-I-P. Strip. With your pencil, please write strip. S-T-R-I-P. Strip. Please underline the initial three-letter blend. Stir. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in strip. I is my vowel in strip. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. S, T, R, P. Strip. With your pencil, we are going to write scrub. S-K-R-U-B. Scrub. With your pencil, write scrub. S-K-R-U-B. Scrub. With your pencil, please underline the three-letter blend. Skr. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in scrub. Is my vowel in scrub. With your blue crayon, please trace the consonants. S, K, R, B. Scrub. Our next word is strap. S-T-R-A-P. With your pencil, write strap. S-T-R-A-P. Strap. Please underline the three-letter initial blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel. With your blue crayon, trace the consonants. S, T, R, and P. Our next word is scrap. S-K-R-A-P. With your pencil, write scrap. S-K-R-A-P. Scrap. Please underline the three-letter blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel. A. With your blue crayon, trace the consonants. S, K, R, P. Scrap. Next word is split. 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 With your crayon, write split. 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 Please underline the initial three-letter blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel I. With your blue crayon, trace the consonants S, P, O, T. Split. Our next word is strum. St, m. With your pencil, write strum. S, T, m. Strum. Please underline the three-letter initial blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel With your blue crayon, trace the consonants S, T, m. Strum. Our next word is scram. Sk, m. With your pencil, write scram. S, K, m. Scram. Please underline the three-letter initial blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel A. With your blue crayon, trace the consonants S, K, m. Scram. Our next word is splat. Sp, o, at. With your pencil, write splat. S, P, O, at. Splat. Please underline the three-letter blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel A. With your blue crayon, trace the consonants S, P, O, and T. Splat. Our next word is strut. St, ut. With your pencil, write strut. St, ut. Please underline the initial three-letter blend. With your red crayon, trace the vowel With your blue crayon, trace the consonants S, T, T. Way to go. Flip your paper over. Okay, my friends, we're still using that red and blue crayon, but on this side we're working with three-letter blend skr and shur in blue. Today we're looking at three-letter blends at the beginning of each word. In our first word, I can see a three-letter blend, skr. I'm going to color it red because it matches my skr at the top. Then I see my next word, shred, sure. I color it blue to match my sure at the top. Next word, shrub, blue. Next word is scrub, scr. It's going to be red. Then I have up at the top again, shrug, shrug. Color it blue. Then I'm going to sort this one red, screen, screen. Then we have shrimp, shrimp. And last we have scroll, scroll. Please color your initial blends red or blue. Pause the video. We are now going to write those words into their correct column. Scribble is going to go under my SCR, so I'm going to write scribble. 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 When I'm done, I'm going to cross it off. Next we have shred. I'm going to write shred under its correct column with sure. Ed. Shred. Cross it off when I'm done. Then we have shrub. Shrub. Gonna go under my SHR column. Shrub. Cross it off when I'm done. Then we have scrub. That's going to go underneath the SCR letter blend. Scrub. Scrub. You are going to pause the video and finish the rest. Shrug, screen, shrimp, and scroll by yourself. Then unpause to check your work. All right, my friends, how did you do? I bet you did great. You did wonderful today. Good job.